Hey, it's Greg. First drumming video in 5 months, basically. So I started last March, roughly. So in the older dogs, new trick paradigm, going to start making some videos of where I've gone from absolute ground zero. The video quality is going to be bad. Hopefully that will improve, as will the sound, the lights, the camera. But it's progress, not perfection, huh? So I'm actually just going to record a I don't know, 30-minute, 40-minute drumming session, and probably not even edit it, but I've got to start, got to get going. So anyway, off we go. We'll go to page 28 in progressive steps to syncopation for the modern drummer. That's what I'm working on. Now my metronome is in the phone that I'm recording on, so no metronome today, but I still have to practice. The time has come to practice. Coffee cup's making a vibration noise, which is a reminder to drink coffee. A lot of updates over the last 6 months, obviously, but I've been practicing the 3 instruments: guitar, drums, and keyboard. Guitar, drums, and keyboard, piano for since March. Plenty of mistakes. Obviously, the purpose of this is to show where I'm at 9 months in, roughly, and to give the progression and evolution progress over time. Interesting. Brand new one there. Hours and hours of struggle and mistakes at this phase. What's a person to do? Start earlier in life? What do you think, you guys? You want some syncopation? We'll work on it. Cramp, tibia, anterior tibialis, cramp. All right, we'll do a little sticking work. Page 10 of the famous stick control book by George Lawrence Stone. Wish I had my metronome. Page 11 with the double stroke, double beat rolls, it's called. Okay, the grinding education. of a beginning drum, or page 12. I barely belong on this page, frankly, because I don't have my buzz rolls down yet, so I'm just going to work on buzz rolls, so at least I have a baseline. Look back in a few months, a couple years, see where I am then in relation to trying to do a press or a buzz roll. So you try to make the sound like the buzzing bees. Probably have to get some different audio, some different mic recording, who knows. This is hours and hours of practice. Today, I only have about a half an hour to put in, but the key is just sit and do a little bit every single day at least. Questions about the positioning of my hands, the inversion of the internal or external rotation of my forearms, the German versus the French grip. I like the external rotation better because that's the way my body's built. So to my knowledge, a 9-stroke closed roll is supposed to sound, this is my approximation. And I know that's not even close, but progress. So back to buzzing. Got to stay relaxed. Some teachers say use your arms. Some teachers say don't. I've been on YouTube. Sometimes it feels like it just clicks in and it's just as easy as pie and I don't have to think about it. And sometimes it just completely disappears. It seems like a waste of time. The sticks move in my hands. But it's better than it was. And that's all that I want, is just the capacity to say that every single day I worked on it a little bit, and that, like watching paint dry or plants grow, there was some degree of progress. It's kind of in there. When I first started doing this, I couldn't even get the bounce. Didn't even know where the bounce was. So now there's this. Honestly, I'd say this is about where I'm at with my perpetual buzz roll, press roll, I guess it's called. But I am working George Lawrence Stone, the Bible stick control book, and working with a strong teacher. You'll meet him. All this is going on Older Dog New Tricks YouTube page. The compendium of a somewhat slightly older dog, but with a lot of frisky, who wants to learn a bunch of stuff that he could have but didn't learn earlier. So you just work this stuff. Review of short roll combinations. Too fast. Anyway, got to get my metronome. That's it for today. Drumming practice, an abbreviated session, is complete. Now I have to learn how to do video editing, sound, camera angles, you know, everything.